Hi, I'm Jason. I'm one of the owners here at Forever Barnwood. We're going to do a quick knot filling video for our various flooring products today. It's going to depend on the personal preference on whether you want a very rustic floor or a less rustic floor. We do also have a video on YouTube that talks about defecting your board. The knot that we're going to fill today could easily be defected out of the board, but this is for somebody that wants to keep the knots and add a little bit of character to the floor. We like to use this knot filler that's called Woodwise. It's worked really well for us. It's very user-friendly. Long dry times, in fact 24 hours is recommended. So what I've done is I've pre-mixed our Woodwise knot filler right here in this styrofoam cup, very simple. And then we use just a lag with a very aggressive thread on it to apply the wood. This is what we found to be best. It keeps the knot filler off the areas of the wood that we don't want it. Okay, so it's very simple to use. So what we're going to do is we're just going to load the threads and we're going to dab it into the hole. Load the threads, and if you've got it the right consistency, and what we're looking for here is about the consistency of honey. It'll fly right off of that lag into the hole. So you're going to want to go around your floor, identify the knot holes. This would simulate the floor already being installed. Okay, so we've got our knot filled right to the top, and we actually want to overfill the knot. You want the putty to be about a good 1/8 inch proud above the wood, and that's due to the fact that a lot of the moisture as it's curing is going to leave. So we've got our knot hole filled about an 1/8 inch proud, so we're going to show you how to finish it now. This is a knot hole right here that I filled yesterday, so it's completely hard, completely cured. We've got a hand sander, okay, so you just want to use a palm sander. You can also use a sanding block or whatever you want to do. It's obviously easier and quicker with this. You're going to want to go through your whole floor and touch up these knots. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this works. Now, as you can see, this knot is perfectly flush with the top of the board. And now when you go over and sand your whole floor with the buffer, that's all going to clean out and you're going to be able to go ahead and finish your floor.